Have you ever wondered how Holi, the festival of colors, paints the Indian economy in profits and price hikes? From your favorite gujias to the colors you throw, everything become expensive. But why? Have you ever noticed how sugar prices just got rise before any Indian festivals? Or how these online stores throw this massive Holi festival discount? Today, in this video, we'll break down the fascinating spending habits of Indians and how businesses from local street shop to major FMCG brands are making huge profits during these festive seasons. So let's dive into this video and find out all the secrets. Holi is not just a festival of colors. It's actually an economic event where people used to spend a lot of money in colors, sweets, clothes and traveling. So let's see in this video how different sectors get benefited from this festival of colors. Number 1. Retail boom. Well, all the major clothing brands see up to 40% increase in their overall sales. Companies like Fab India, Manyavar launched their Holi collections, while fast fashion brands like H&M, Zara are offering major discounts during these festive seasons. Even in local markets like Sarojini Nagar, Lajpat Nagar in Delhi, or Colaba Causeway in Mumbai, Gudolia in Varanasi, witness higher footfall during the time of Holi as people are coming to these local markets to get the new outfits for their festivals. Also, there are so many people who are shopping online from these platforms like Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart, Ajio, Meesho and many more. So overall, this industry make huge profit during Holi. Now let's talk about another sector which plays equal important role in this festival time, which is FMCG sector. So let's talk about the FMCG sector growth. In this sector also, big FMCG brands like Bikaner, Haldiram's are making huge profit during the Holi season because they are launching their new hamper collection, Holi gifting boxes, Holi sweet boxes and also offering good discount every year. So they are also making huge profit during this festival season. And since we are talking about Holi, how can we forget Thandai? Yes, so Thandai brands like Guruji and Patanjali are also making huge profit, like 50 to 60% profit during the Holi time because people are following the ongoing culture of drinking Thandai on the day of Holi. So families are preparing these special drinks on the occasion of Holi. So these brands also see a surge in sales during the Holi time. So now let's talk about another important sector, which is personal care brands. They are also playing a very important role. This is my personal favorite segment because overall we require a lot of personal care products during the time of festivals, and anyways Holi is the festival of colors and we require a lot of skincare products during the time of Holi as we are playing with the colors. So yeah, this also plays an important role. So let's understand this. So every renowned personal care brands like Mamaearth, Nivea, Mcaffeine, Lakme promote pre-Holi or post-Holi skincare products. Leveraging the demands of gentle care and moisturizer, they understand the needs of the people, what kind of product they are more keen for. So they also offer good discount during these festival times. Now let's talk about another segment, which is travel, festive and hospitality. So basically Holi is a festival of joy, happiness and colors. There are several cities in India where Holi is a grand celebration like Vrindavan, Mathura, Kashi. So people are very excited to see the Holi of these cities like Mathura, Vrindavan, Pushkar, Kashi, Barsana. So they plan their trip during the Holi time, which leads a rise in hotel occupancy up to 80 to 9% as people are coming from different cities and they are staying in the hotel. So hotels in these cities are experiencing the rise in demand during the Holi time. Similarly, travel platforms like Make My Trip and GoIBiBo are giving you a good packages, good discounts during the festival time, so that you can plan your trip. You can go back to your home. If you're working somewhere else and you're staying away from your home, you can plan your trip back to your home, or maybe you can plan a weekend getaway. So they are offering a good discount during these festival times. Even budget airlines and Indian Railways are also experiencing a 15 to 20% fare hikes due to increased bookings. So everybody is making profit during the festival time. Now let's talk about a very different sector, which is e-commerce and digital payments. So during the time of Holi, big brands like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho see a 30 to 40% jump in overall sales of Holi essentials like colors, pichkari, gulal, outfit, home decor, and many more. So digital payment platforms like Amazon Pay, Phone Pay, Google Pay, Bheem UPI also give you a scratch card or vouchers during your UPI payments. So if you are making any payment through UPI, they are giving you a voucher. Let's suppose they are giving you a membership of Lenskart, or maybe they are giving you a voucher of Myntra where you can get extra discount during your festival shopping. So there are a lot more scratch cards they are offering on every payment during the festival time. So this is how the retail sector is making a lot of profits during the festival time. Now let's talk about another segment, which is Holi and commodity market. So Holi shopping not only affects retails, it also shakes up the commodity prices in the market. So now let's see how festive demands influences market rise. Number 1, sugar and sweet industry. So during the time of Holi, sweet shops prepare ton of gujiyas, malpuas, rasgullas, gulab jamuns and many more sweets, which is leading a 5 to 10% rise in the sugar prices. Even the local dairies and khoya suppliers are making huge profit during the festival time due to rise in demand of sweets. So many local vendors in Varanasi also shared their story that they are making double of profit during the time of festivals. Now let's talk about the most important product which we use during Holi, which is colors and gulals. Do you know the Holi color market is worth over 1,000 crore? And the biggest production hubs are in UP, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. And nowadays you can see a category which is herbal gulal, which is 20 to 30% more expensive than the normal gulal. So since now people are more aware and they are choosing eco-friendly gulal, eco-friendly products, so this increases the rise in herbal gulal demand. Number 3, dairy and khoya market. So milk and khoya prices are shoot up by 10 to 15% because of increased sweet demand, wherein big brands like Amul and Mother Dairy experiences a surge in sales of milk and ghee, which are very important ingredient for Holi delicacies. Now let's talk about another industry which never goes out of season, which is dry fruits and snack items. So in this industry, cashews and almond becomes premium as they are commonly used in Holi sweets and gift hampers. So popular Holi hampers from Haldiram, Bikaji, Balaji experience 15 to 20% increase in sales. So now let's talk about liquor and beverages industry. Holi parties in metro cities boost the sales of liquor and beverages by 30 to 50%. Wherein soft drinks giants like Coca-Cola, Maaza, Pepsi are also launching their Holi packaging to attract more customers. So this is how the commodity market get affected positively during the festival time. So now let's jump into the most interesting segment, which is impacts on businesses and market players. So for businesses and investors, Holi is not just a celebration. It's the perfect period to make a strategic profit. So now let's talk about a stock market and business impact. So FMCG giants like Nestle, Britannia, ITC are often see stock prices movement as there is a sales surge during the time of Holi. Color and chemical industry also get massive profit due to high demand during the Holi time. Indeed, Holi is also a golden period for local traders and wholesalers who also make profit during the festival time. And now let's discuss the key takeaways for consumers and businesses. Number 1, consumer can actually save money by shopping early to avoid festive prices hikes. Number 2, businesses should strategize marketing around Holi sales to make the maximum profit. Number 3, investor can also track seasonal stock trends to make some smart financial decisions. So overall, Holi is a festival of colors, happiness, joy, and expenses also. So make sure you are making it count. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video useful. So share it with your friends and family to make them understand how every industry is making profit during the festival season. And do let me know in the comment section what you love most about Holi. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon, because I keep on making this kind of informational content for you all in the most simplest way. So do subscribe, and I'll see you in the next time. Till then, take care. Happy Holi.